everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 12, what if this will be finished. So let's start from question number 6. Answer the following questions. Number 1, how does the smoke coming out from vehicle cause problems? Answer, we can suffer from ailments like cold, cough, headache, burning eyes, asthma, and diseases related to the lungs due to smoke coming out of vehicles. Air gets polluted with smoke. We feel suffocated due to smoke. We can see smog in winter mornings due to smoke in the air. As a result, we cannot see things that are a little distance away, that causes accidents. Now, number 2, what kind of problems do we experience from noise of vehicles honking? Answer, point number 1, we have headaches. Point number 2, we experience mental stress. We do not like things. Number 3, the eardrums are affected. Number 4, deafness is seen due to staying too long in highly noisy areas. Number 5, a person becomes short-tempered. Number 6, horns honking during the night have an adverse effect on the sleep of people living in surrounding areas. Now, number 3, what problems can we face from the speeding vehicles? Answer, by driving vehicles at high speed, more petrol or diesel is consumed. There is possibility of accident, due to which the lives of people traveling in the vehicle and those who become victims are at stake. Next, number 4, what kind of problems will we face if the number of vehicles keep on increasing? Answer, point number 1, there will be more traffic on the road. Number 2, air and noise pollution will increase. Point number 3, people's health will be adversely affected by pollution. Point number 4, there will be parking issues. Point number 5, the number of accidents will increase. Point number 6, there will be a scarcity of petrol and diesel. Consequently, these fuels will become more costly. Point number 7, petrol and diesel will get exhausted in the future. Next, number 5, we should use petrol and diesel judiciously. Why? Answer, the proportion of vehicular use has increased a lot in today's world, due to which the consumption of petrol and diesel has also gone up manifold. Looking at this, it can be said that there's only that much amount of mineral oil left in the depth of the earth which will last for the next 50 years. That is why we should use petrol and diesel judiciously. Next, number 6, suggest some ways to deal with the problems arising out of the growing number of vehicles. Answer, point number 1, go walking or use the bicycle to reach places that are a short distance away. Point number 2, people working in the same office or area should travel together in one vehicle to reach their working place. They should avoid using a car for just one person. Point number 3, public transport should be used to reach one's working or business place. Point number 4, there should be a traffic awareness campaign to increase people's understanding and knowledge about traffic. Next, question number 7, suggest some ways to save fuels. Answer, point number 1, public transport should be used more and more. Point number 2, private vehicles should be used as sparingly as possible. Point number 3, vehicle engines should be shut down while waiting at the red signal or the railway crossings. Point number 4. Solar energy should be used increasingly. Point number 5. Solar cookers should be used to cook some of the food. Next, number 8. Why is petroleum known as black gold? Answer. Petroleum is a thick black oily liquid. It is also found under the ground just like gold is. Innumerable useful things are obtained from petroleum. In this way, petroleum is also a mineral as precious as gold. So, it is known as black gold. Next, number 9. What is done to petroleum in a refinery? Explain. Answer. Petroleum obtained from an oil well is impure. That is, there are many things mixed in it. To clean and separate this, it is sent to a refinery through pipes or in a tanker. At the refinery, petroleum products such as petrol, kerosene, diesel, petroleum gas, etc. are separated and obtained by the fractional distillation of petroleum, which takes place in a distillation tower. Next, question number 9. Answer as asked. Number 1. What would happen if you don't get petrol or diesel for a week in your village or town? Answer. If we do not get petrol or diesel, we will have to stop using vehicles like scooters, motorcycles, cars, etc. Mills and factories will stop functioning. Generators will not work. All business and trade will stop. People will have to reach wherever they want to go, either on foot or on bicycle. The economy of the nation will suffer in long run. Next, number 2. State the 6 main traffic rules. Answer. Point number 1. It is compulsory to always drive the vehicle only on the left side of the road. Point number 2. When there is more traffic, the speed of the vehicle should be limited. Point number 3. Signals at crossroads have to be strictly obeyed. If the light is red, stop the vehicle. If the light is green, then drive forward, and if the light is yellow, be ready to let vehicles on the sides move forward. Point number 4. The correct side light for the turn you want to take must be shown well in time. Point number 5. There are various signals on the road. Each of them has to be obeyed strictly. Point number 6. Pedestrian must use zebra crossing to go across the road at any crossroad. Next we have activity. Look at the bar chart or graph and answer the following questions. Number 1. In the year 1996, out of 100, how many houses used cow dung cakes and wood? Answer. In year 1996, 75 out of 100 houses used cow dung cakes and wood. Number 2. Which was the fuel used the least in 1976? Answer. In the year 1976, electricity was the fuel that was least used. Number 3. In 1976, LPG and kerosene were used in 10 houses, and in 1996, this increased to 18. This means that is 20 years their use increased by 80%. Number 4. Out of 100, how many houses were using electricity in 1996? In 1996, 5 houses out of 100 were using electricity. Next, number 8. Classify the following fuels into solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. Petrol, LPG, wood, cow dung cakes, CNG, diesel, coal, kerosene. Solid fuels. Wood, cow dung cakes, coal. Liquid fuels, petrol, diesel, kerosene. Gaseous fuel, LPG and CNG. Next we have another activity, make a poster with a message on saving fuel. Write a slogan to poster with a message on saving fuel. So here you have to make a poster about saving fuel, and also you have to write a slogan delivering the same message about saving fuel. Next we have observe the traffic signs given below and state what each tell us. So number 1 says right turn, number 2 hospital ahead, number 3 no U-turn, number 4 cross the road at the zebra crossing, then number 5 says no right turn. Now HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1. On which fuel do buses, trucks and jeep run? Options: A. Diesel, B. Petrol, C. CNG, D. Kerosene. Answer is A. Diesel. Next, number 2. What is the effect on human health due to increasing amount of vehicular noise? Answer: A. Eyesight declines, B. Deafness in ears, C. Aching feet, D. Skin diseases. Answer is B. Deafness in ears. Number 3. What was used in olden times for light? Options: A. A chulha, B. A sigari, C. A lantern, D. A generator. Answer is C. A lantern. Number 4. Which component of petroleum is not used as a fuel? Question: A. Kerosene, B. Diesel, C. Petrol, D. Grease. Actually here the answer will be D. Which component of petrol is not used as a fuel? So grease is not used as a fuel, so here our answer is not D. Answer is not B, answer is D, grease. Okay, so make correction. We are having answer D, grease. So here we complete the solution of this chapter number 12. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.